Hello there, everyone. Today I have some pretty awesome, cool new stuff for you. I've known for quite a long time that Waterworks Lamsom was about to do something major, and they have done something major. They have completely changed a lot of their reels, and they've completely changed the system of how they classify their reels in order to what rods and stuff the reels will work on. The first thing I want to show you is this. This is a very limited edition, very awesome reel. It's called First Light, and what this is basically Waterworks Lamson decided to design this reel and to sell this, to use some of the money from sales of these to conserve a lot of the different parts of nature in threatened nature, endangered nature in the US. So this reel there will only be around 30 available for all of Europe in the size 2 and in the size 3.5. So only 30 of each of this reel in all of Europe. So I can tell you, this is very limited. I've put this reel onto the website, onto Nordic Anglers, so you can pre-order this. If you want one of these reels, you can buy it at Nordic Anglers now, and I will ship as soon as these reels will be available. And I must say, I think that's a good idea, because these reels are gonna go very fast. Think about it, 30 reels on all the shops in all of Europe. That's gonna go fast. So get your hands on one of these, order them from Nordic Anglers, and I'm gonna use the rest of the reels. Also, this is the new Lightspeed design. Really awesome, and you can see it's very well not drilled out, bored out. I don't know what that's called. The way that the text here is, but it's into the material, so it's gonna stay there. Then I'm going to show you the two other new Lightspeed reels and the two new colors and the new design. This orange one I think is pretty awesome. This burned orange, dimmed orange one with the Gunsmoke button here is really cool. But this one is nice. This is an all black, all kind of like stealthy matted black that really just looks absolutely amazing, and it's going to look amazing on any rod. Really cool stuff. And what Waterworks have done is they've changed the way that they number the reels. Before this change, the reels were sized in 1, 2, 3, 3.5 in some cases, and then 4. From now on, it's going to be 3 plus minus, 5 plus minus, 7 plus minus, and 9 plus minus. And what this is, for instance, a 5 plus minus, and what that means is the 5 is kind of like the base, and then this will fit class size 6 rods and size 4 rods as well. So the size 3 plus minus will be 2 for 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 4, 5, 6, 7 plus 6, 7, 8, and so on. Really nice new designs, and also it's completely a new design on the layout of the Speedster here. And I must say, these two new additions, these two new colors are just, they're awesome. They're really awesome. The next thing that I really have been looking forward to is the new model of the Speedster. The Speedster is probably one of the best-selling reels of all times, and Waterworks had really, it takes some balls to mess with something as popular and as renowned as that reel. But I must say, these two looks just awesome. The design is completely changed. It's a lot more open, this reel, and also the colors and the color scheme of these are quite bold, especially this one. Whenever people see all these new reels, then it's always this one that they pick up. The chartreuse here, the chartreuse parts really complements the dark blue, almost gun blue. I don't know what that's called, but a really deep blue with these lighter chartreuse parts just makes this reel look absolutely amazing. The other one also, I think, is really an eye-catching reel with the champagne parts here with the orange and the Gunsmoke parts here really makes this reel an instant classic. It's just really nice to look at, and I must say these details on the new I don't know what they're called, these things here, phalanges or spurs or something. But it just, it's just a very nice and a very cool update, because it takes some balls, as I said, to do something to a reel like the Speedster that is so popular. But I must say, these new designs looks pretty awesome. Then there's also a new Guru in town. And then there is this olive, very dark, very nice olive color that you haven't seen that much before, with some gunsmoke parts here. A nice reel. It's updated a bit also in the frame and in the design. I must say it looks fairly good. And it also is the new color is also a darker gunsmoke with orange part, but the orange parts are only going to be on the 3± and the 5±. The 7± and the 9± reel size reel is gonna have all blue parts instead of orange. It's gonna have all blue parts for saltwater fishing and stuff like that. So pretty awesome design on these as well. And then the last thing that has changed, that I think was the last two changes, are to the liquid and to the remix. The remix has a spool that is cast, and then the frame is made from one block of aluminum, and the liquid is a completely 100% cast reel. The new surface here seems smoother and it feels stronger. So basically an upgrade also on the liquid. Some really nice reels as well, and this upgrade was due, and I must say I'm very pleased with it. These reels are probably the reels I sell the most of, and I'm not gonna sell any less because of this. Both of these reels also have that small touch with the orange dot inside the break here that I think looks awesome. So all in all, I'm blown away. Some pretty goddamn awesome reels here from Waterworks, and this one is the one to reckon with. If you want one, you should go and get one now. Okay, with that being said, I have another thing. Another company that is also gearing up and really stepping up their game is Ahrex. They've just launched 4 new awesome saltwater hooks, a shrimp hook, a baitfish hook that's called Minnow, a very thick, very strong hook for fishing GTs and stuff like that, and also a classic streamer hook for saltwater. So nice new hooks from Ahrex. And they've also launched these, some tying triples, kind of like the Esmonduri. Comes in 4 or 5 different sizes and 3 colors: silver, gold, and black. And these hooks are some of the hooks I'm gonna use in the fly tying videos that will be around shortly. So basically, all the reels here, they're available at the web site already. As I said, they're not landed yet in Europe, but if you order one now, I will be sure to ship yours as soon as these reels hit the shop. So visit Nordic Anglers, go get yourself some new fly reels or some new hooks, and otherwise, I hope you have a lot of fun fishing. Yeah, take care. And remember to subscribe to the channel, of course. Bye.